We found that various organizations need to find speakers, like CPA firms, state or local CPA societies, bookkeeping and client advisory firms. Sometimes it's practice management groups. Sometimes it's fractional CFOs. You need to ensure your clients are aware of compliance responsibilities. And we can do that. We can bring them up to date on exposure issues. We can talk to them about tax savings opportunities. Let's put it this way. If you're in one of these organizations, do you want to be forward thinking? Do you want to be the firm that says, I'm looking out for you? Have you considered this? I want to make sure you are taken care of. Or are you going to be the firm that the client comes to retroactively and says, why didn't you tell me about this? I'm looking at a bill. I'm having to pay someone else's tax. You're supposed to be my tax and financial advisor. It would have been nice if you would have told me about this on the front end. Well, we at Clarus, we have multiple offerings for speaking opportunities, specifically to CPAs and other advisory firms. But you know what? Say you're not in client practice. Let's say that you're in industry. Well, we can help with that. We've got opportunities to speak to your industry group about that. I've given talks on the construction industry. Okay, how should a contract be structured? Should it be lump sum? Should it be separately stated, materials and labor? What about time and materials? Who pays the tax? What about the differences between commercial versus residential construction? What about new construction versus repairs and remodeling? I've talked about sales tax opportunities specifically in the multifamily housing industry. There's oil and gas, and oil and gas is its own animal. We can also talk to you about opportunities in the retail environment, about the Wayfair decision and remote sellers, issues regarding registrations versus voluntary disclosure agreements. Do you know about trailing nexus? Are you aware of the recent shift in economic nexus thresholds? What about distribution? Let's say that your sales are 100% exempt. Could you still have a filing responsibility? Of course. Yeah, you still have a documentation requirement. We're here to help. We're here to educate. Reach out to Clarus if you would like to know more about our speaking opportunities to you or your group.